In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Kanban boards in Jira and how to utilize them effectively. To start off, let's talk a little about what a Kanban board is. A Kanban board is a visual tool that helps teams manage workflow and streamline their processes. It is based on the Kanban methodology, which involves visualizing work, limiting the amount of work in progress, and managing the flow of work to maximize efficiency. These boards usually consist of columns that represent different stages of a project or task, and cards that move through the columns as each step progresses. Kanban boards are widely used for their simplicity and their powerful ability to provide a clear overview of work in progress. Now, to access the Kanban board in your Jira project, you should first look at the top of your screen for the Board View tab. This will take you to the Kanban board view. However, if you don't see this tab right away, no worries. You can simply click on the plus icon located at the end of the View tabs. This will allow you to add the Kanban board to your project navigation for easy access in the future. Once you're in the Kanban board view mode, you can start using it just like any traditional Kanban board. You'll see different columns set up to track the various stages of your workflow. If you hover over any section, you'll find an option to create a new card. Simply click on Create to add a new task or item to that section. It's a great way to visually keep track of where each task is in your process. When you create a new card, you'll be prompted to enter the title of the card. This title should briefly describe the task or issue at hand. Once you have your card, you might want to add more details to it. To do this, click on the card to open it up. This gives you the option to edit the card further by adding additional fields such as details, assignees, due dates, and statuses. Customizing these fields to fit your workflow is key to making the most out of your Kanban board. Back on the main board view, you can easily manage your tasks by using your mouse to drag and drop cards into different sections. This ability to manually move cards helps you quickly adjust to the dynamic nature of project management. Alternatively, if you prefer an automated process, you can create custom automations that will dictate how and when cards move between sections based on certain criteria. And there you have it, an overview of setting up and using Kanban boards in Jira. By integrating these visual tools into your project management process, you can enhance productivity and efficiency for your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you on your journey to better workflow management.